Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a bit of community park pond fishing. I'm going to go to MacArthur Park. I'm just going to try and catch some trout. I haven't stalked them in a couple weeks, so they're getting a little spotty. But we'll see what I can do. Just go and throw a little spinner right here on my favorite rig, favorite lightweight rig at least. Just a little all-star pan fishing trout target pole and a Fluger and a Fluger President limited edition series reel here. Great little setup, 5.5 foot rod. Fun to fight the fish at least. So hopefully I can catch some fish. Catching a tag trout would definitely be nice. Those things can get you a pretty good gift card or something, Bass Pro Shop. So we'll see what we can do. It's about 52 degrees outside right now, so it's cooler than it has been the past couple days. It's December, into December, just a couple days till New Year's, so hopefully the trout are biting. First cast that we hooked into one. First cast. Pretty little rainbow. First cast. Back out there. Really well. Oh, I was hoping the trout would be busting today like they were just a couple days ago. Couldn't really get them to bite a couple days ago, but they were hitting stuff on top, and the trout cannibalized each other. So I brought a little spook today, see if I can catch a bigger one, bigger trout, or maybe even a bass. I heard there were bass in here. As I stated, never really seen any, but I was hoping they'd bust, so I'd be more confident throwing the spook. Huh. Got one. Is that a brim? Bass. I caught a bass. I'll be darned. Got a bass out of here. Little feller. I've never caught a bass out of here. Pretty little fish. Well, that works. Huh. Well.